guys! So, dumating na yung kaninang morning. This morning, ang aking Dyson! This is the new version because it has an ID included. So, ito yung ano mo siya sa cellphone mo. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang nakaset na yung heat niya at saka kung gaano katagal yung curl, ganyan. Pero di ko naman kasi actually ginagamit yun. Ang ginagamit ko talaga is this one. And also, this one siguro. Kasi bago to sa version na to. So, mamaya sa next video, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung difference nung old Dyson, nung second version at ito. So, let's go. Sinabay ko na din bilhin sa Dyson is to. Itong mga clip curls, and also this paddle brush. I love this paddle brush kasi ang mahal nito ha. Medyo namamahalan ako dito. So, kaya natin si Marky magbukas ng paddle brush. Tsaka ito. So, ang color nito is pink. This one. So, ooh. Wow!
Nala.
This one, is good. Yeah. Ang heavy niya, ha? It's good. Wow, ang sarap sa buhok. Other one was tada! This detangle comb. And this one. So, ang gaan naman ito. Tapos, feeling ko brand lang yung binabayaran natin dito. See? So, it has a Dyson. So, okay naman. I got two. Ta-da! Mas pinili ko to bilhin kaysa sa panibagong travel bag kasi I have travel bag na sa previous Dyson ko. So, it's a waste of money naman. So, yeah. This is the clips. Oh my god, it's orange, not pink. But it's fine. Look. You can use this for your hair while you're preparing your hair. This is a lot, huh? I thought it's only 2, but this is 4. See? And listen. Era. Ang bigat. Sorry, mahina yung wrist ko eh. Ta-da! Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Eh, joke lang. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, ito yung ginagamit ko talaga. And, got this.
Yan, pang-blow.
Pang-blower. This.
Laki.
Lumaki na siya. Dati itong maliit. Papakita ko sa inyo yung difference mamaya. And this one, the small. And this. Wait! See! I knew it!
Ano yun?
There's 2!
Detangling comb?
Yeah!
Wala, color pink yan. Ay, hindi.
I knew it! It's already have
their own.
So, dapat pala travel bag na lang yung pinili. Oh my God! This is it! Oh my God, mas magaan siya.
Really? Oo nga, no?
See? And also has a ID curl. See?